Hello, explorers! Look at the ground! It looks solid, right? But what is deep inside our planet? Monsters? Lava? Today, I am going to find out! I built this super machine, the Terra-Mole! We are digging to the center of the Earth. Let's go! We are in the first layer, the crust. It's like the skin of an apple. Wait, what is that? Is that a dinosaur bone? Whoa, and look at those shiny diamonds! We are rich! But we can't stop. We have to go deeper. Warning! It's getting super hot! We are now in the Mantle. The rocks here are so hot, they have melted into magma. It's like a giant ocean of fire. Look at that! The magma is moving! It's trying to escape as a volcano. We are 3,000 kilometers deep. Welcome to the outer core. There are no rocks here, only liquid iron and nickel. It's a storm of liquid metal. This spinning metal creates Earth's magnetic field. Without this, our compass wouldn't work. We made it! The center of the Earth! The inner core! It's a solid ball of iron! It is hotter than the surface of the sun! But the pressure is so strong that it stays solid! It's crushing us! We need to leave! Now! Hold on! We are riding a volcano eruption to the surface! 3, 2, 1, zoom! Zoom! Woo! That was close! We popped out like a rocket! Whew! We survived! Earth is amazing on the inside. Question of the day. If you could dig a hole to the